Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is episode part 3. I will be showing you how to create a mock-up and also a watermark from the image that we created in episode part 2. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you followed along with episode part 2, you would have created this image. All right. So you would just go ahead, go to Canva and go to the image that you created. If you created an image in part 2, if you didn't, go back and watch part 2 so that way you can create your mock-up and your watermark with this video. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the image that we created in part 2, and I did create variations of this image because I will be creating a clip art bundle, and this is the mock-up that I'll be using on my website as well. But we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over here to Elements. You're going to type in women's t-shirt mock-ups. All right. I'm going to go ahead and click on photos. And you just pick whatever image you like. Okay, and I had this image. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and click on that. So I'm going to go ahead and click the 3 dots. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to set image as background. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and X this out. So I'm going to scroll up to the first image that we created in part 2. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click copy. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to right click and I'm going to click paste. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make this a little smaller. I'm going to turn it like sideways. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and enlarge it. Zoom in because I want to make sure I have this straight. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that down a little bit. So normally what I do is when I make the images big like this, if I'm not going to have it that big on the shirt, I would tell customers image is enlarged to show details. So that way, when they actually, if they purchase a shirt from you, they're going to expect for the image to be this big. So you want to make sure you put that disclaimer in there and say image enlarged to show detail. So you can also put it here. I'm going to go ahead and hit text. And I'm going to add a subheading. And I can put it like right here. I'm going to highlight this. Okay. Image. Enlarge to show details. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour this line out. And I'm just going to make it small. And just put it up here somewhere. Just so your customers are aware of that. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my image. All right, and I'm going to click on the 3 dots, see more, and I'm going to take my transparency down because I want the image to look like it's blended into the shirt. Okay, let me X this out. All right. Okay, so now that looks like it's blended into the shirt. My face look like it kind of faded a little bit. So I'll put it on 90. So now it still look faded. Put it on 91. It's good. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here to elements. I'm going to X this out. And then I'm going to type in water grid. Watermark. Watermark grid. Type that in. Now, if you have the free version of Canva, you cannot use anything with the crown by it. You will have to use anything that's free. So I'm going to go ahead and click on graphics, see all. All right, so like this is free. These are free. So any of these you can use, the ones that don't have a crown by it. So I have Canva Pro. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. This is the one that I always use. I'm going to X this out. And I'm going to take this. I put it in a corner. And I just pull it out over my image to create that watermark over the image. So I'm going to click on transparency. And I'm going to take my transparency down to about 27. Okay. Now you can leave this on white, but what I normally do, like light colors like this, I take it and put it, change it to black. So I'm gonna click on this and I'm just gonna click right here, change it to black. All right, and I'm gonna take the transparency down a little more. Okay, so 17 is good. So next, you always want to put your name on there, your company name, or either your logo. I'm gonna go ahead and click text, and I like to use this font right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and it's called, I don't know, I guess it's called multiple fonts. I'm gonna ungroup it, and I just want to use the super part and the mom. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. So it's called White Star. So I'm going to double click it. I'm going to highlight it. And then I'm going to put my business name, which is Too Sweet Designs. Let's see. So I want it all on one line. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And then I'm going to decrease the size. All right. So I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to turn it sideways. I'm going to go ahead and change the color to white. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my default colors and I'm gonna click on white. Next, I'm going to click the three dots. I'm gonna click on effects. I'm gonna go to outline. I'm gonna change the color to black. I'm gonna click down here and I'm just gonna take the thickness all the way up. Let's see. I'm gonna take the thickness right there to make my colors pop. I wanna make it pop. All right. So next, all right, I got my watermark. X this out. I got my watermark. I have my images enlarged to show details. So that way, if somebody purchased, they won't think the image is going to come this large. And then you got customers complaining. So now I'm going to show you how to download it and how you would share it on your website or share it to a customer if you wanted to show a customer how the image looks. So you will click over here on file type. You're going to go to JPG. That's best for sharing. And make sure you only share the page that you want to share. So when you click on share, show pages, all the pages are checked. but I want to show the current page, which is 6, or just to make sure, you want to make sure you scroll down and you're sharing the correct page. I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to click download. And once I click download, I'm going to click show in folder. I'm going to double click it. And this is my mock-up. So I can put this on my website. I can put it on Facebook and show it to my potential customers or customers. Okay, so guys, if you like that tutorial, make sure you join my Facebook group for more. So I give you daily prompts. All right, and the name of the group is Too Sweet Innovations, AI Art and Digital Crafting. Make sure you answer all questions to be approved. I give you daily prompts. I also give you tips and tricks to create art, and then I also have tutorials. So guys, if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you're notified when I go live, and make sure you join my group for those daily AI prompts, tutorials, and tricks. I will see you guys in the next video.